Hi, hello. Today's topic is demonstrative of these, that, these, those. Come on, let's go. These two are this and that are singular, and these two, these, those are plural noun. Come on, let's see with examples. This is a bus. This is a bus. This is an umbrella. This is a umbrella. This is a lion. This is a lion. That that is a tree. That is a tree. That is a house. That is a house. That is a flower pot. That is a flower pot. These these are flowers. These are flowers. These are balls. These are balls. These are chairs. These are chairs. And those are cars. Those are cars. Those are birds. Those are birds. Those are boxes. Those are boxes. Now let's learn the four demonstratives furthermore. I want this mango. I want this mango. I want these mangoes. I want these mangoes. That is my bottle. That is my bottle. Those are my bottles. Those are my bottles.